Hey guys, thank you for coming to this video. It has been a while since I filmed. Like, this feels kind of weird. It's been a couple weeks. We had some stuff going on. We got through it. Now I'm back. We had a great Christmas. I hope you guys had a great Christmas too with your family and friends. Now I feel like I can get back into regular life and start 2020 good. Like, I hope we're all ready to start this new year. Let's do some awesome things this year. I'm excited to keep sharing my love of makeup and beauty with you guys. But today we are gonna do my winter, like, where's my brain right now? Okay, get it together. Okay, this is gonna be my winter 2019 Fab Fit Fun box. I got a lot of great stuff in this box. I'm really excited to show you guys, and let's get started. Okay, the first thing I will show you guys is the Rodale, I don't know, Soft Focus Glow Drops. It says glow on. These drops are formulated to brighten the complexion and provide a radiant priming base for makeup application. So that I love, you guys know I love illuminating, hydrating primers. This looks really nice. I've actually used this a couple times and I really do like it. So it's just like this pink, doesn't really have shimmer in it. It just kind of hydrates the skin, which is what I am all about. I'm all about the hydration. This retails for $55. So that's an expensive primer. And I kind of, it's like whenever I get things like that that's expensive, I'm like, what if I love it so much that I need to buy it again? And then I have to spend $55 to re-buy it. I kind of don't want to do that, but like with these boxes, you never know. But you're paying, what is it? I think it's $49 for the entire box. So just with this one thing, we're already over the value that we paid. You gotta love it. Next is this Paper Source 12-month Rose Floral Planner. This retails for $27.95. It says keep track of all your appointments, to-do lists, and assignments in this planner, which includes monthly and weekly views. So that's really nice that you get a planner, because I'm someone that, like, I kind of use planners sometimes, but it's not something I like need. So I didn't have one yet. So, and this is really pretty. I love the gold and the floral with like the peachy, rosy tones. Really pretty. And, you know, it has all the nice little monthly tabs. Keeps track of your life. Like 2020, you know, get ready for the new year, get your life together, keep track of stuff. These are all things we all need. I love it. So the next is the Makeup Eraser Original Pink. It says from waterproof mascara to bronzer and blush, this reusable makeup remover erases the day with just water. This retails for $20. So I did have a mini one before that I got in like one of my smaller boxes, I think. And it seriously works really, really well. So I don't know what about this soft fabric like removes makeup so well, but it really works really well to get everything off. And it's, I mean, it's not cute once you take off your makeup because then it's just all over. I'm not sure. I'd rather have it in black almost, but definitely will be using this because it really does erase everything, and I love that. So the next thing I'm really excited about, it is the PJ Salvage Faux Trim Cable Slippers. Like, look at how soft and comfy and cozy those look. It says keep your feet extra cozy and supported in these comfy slippers. These retail for $45. Like, I don't know about you, but I do not spend $45 on slippers because I just ruin them. So that's just too expensive for slippers. But when you get them in the box, yes, and they're so cute. I love that they're just a nice neutral gray with the fur trim, like so cute. And they have a hard bottom so you can like walk outside if you need to, and they're not gonna get all ruined. I am in love with these. Yes, thank you, Fab Fit Fun. I will definitely enjoy those. Next is the Cuchillo Somatology Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. This retails for $39.95. It says calm your senses as you cleanse with a relaxing blend of lavender oil, pro vitamin B5, and shea butter. So let me take this off so I can smell it. Oh, that smells really nice. Oh, got it on my nose. Sometimes lavender can be a little too strong for me and I don't like it, but usually when it's paired with other scents and it's very light, I'm fine with it. So that smells really nice. Another thing that I have owned before is the Color Switch by Veramona. It says easily switch between your favorite shades while reapplying makeup with this instant brush cleaner, no water or liquids required, and it retails for $16.99. So this is just a little like purple tin can, and you open it and it's almost like this sponge inside. It's like a really kind of coarse sponge. So I don't know how well you can see that, but it's just like this really coarse sponge. And it, like if you're using an eyeshadow brush and you're using one color and you want to switch and use a different color and you don't want to blend it together, you just swirl it around in here and it literally takes off all of the eyeshadow. It's just a really cool thing, so you don't have to have, 10 different brushes. You can use very few brushes and just swipe them around so you can go into the next color. I mean, this is not going to replace cleaning your brushes. You should still clean your brushes with like soap and water, but it definitely helps for applying makeup, or if you use purple eyeshadow one day and you want to go brown the next day, it's just really easy to swipe it off and do something different. So I love this. Like, whoever thought to do this and invented it is really awesome. And if you don't have this, you could probably just go buy this coarse sponge at like a craft store for a couple bucks and not use a tin, but it's just handy to have in a little tin like this. And you can wash the sponge if you've used it a lot. It's just a really cool little thing. Next is the Dry Bar. Wow. Next is the Dry Bar Pep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. It says this lightweight detangler uses biotin, vitamin B and C, and sea berry oil to protect hair against heat up to 450 degrees and leave hair soft and conditioned. And that retails for $23. So again, I love getting this kind of stuff in boxes because it's something I don't usually remember to buy myself. And it's not something that I am excited to spend money on, but it is very important if you are using, a hair strainer or curling iron regularly on your hair, it will damage it. So just using something to protect that is very important. Okay, that took way too long to open, but I just wanted to smell it. Oh, that smells really good. It's like nice, fresh scent. Very nice. And the final and most exciting thing in this box is this, like, the softest blanket ever. So this is the Unhide Little Marshmallow blanket. It says stay cozy all winter long with this faux fur blanket. It retails for $65, and it's like a huge throw blanket. It's really, like, I am obsessed with soft blankets. I have way too many of them already. There's always throw blankets and pillows on the floor because my kids will not leave them on the couch. But I'm obsessed, and you can never have too many. And it's like this really pretty cream color, so it's just gonna go anywhere. It's gonna go with everything. I just was like, they put like a fur, like a nice throw blanket in there. Like, do they know me? Do you know me, Fab Fit Fun? Do you know me? Is this meant for me? Like, how did you know? I don't know. I'm just so excited because I get cold a lot and I just love to cuddle up in blankets. So, and when they're so soft like this, there's nothing better, right? Like in the winter and you're just like cold and you just cuddle up and you just want to stay there all day. It's my favorite. Okay, anyways, so my box was worth $272.89. That's amazing for only paying $49. So if you guys have not gotten Fab Fit Fun, I would definitely check it out. It's seasonal, so it's 4 times a year, and you can cancel whenever. And I think when you first sign up, you get like $10 off, so it's only $39. Like, I don't know how they do it. It doesn't make sense to me because It's like, how do you give us this much stuff for so cheap? My brain doesn't understand, but it's okay because I'm happy. I'm happy with it. I don't care. That is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments if you have gotten Fab Fit Fun, if you want to get it. If you do, did we get the same things or did you get something different? Like, let me know. Let me know in the comments. And please subscribe if you haven't already. I am back to doing videos. I took a couple weeks off, like I said. Life is crazy, but now I'm back. So if you want to subscribe to my channel, I would love to have you a little part of my fam here on YouTube. And if you would like to ring the little bell so you get notified when I upload. And I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye guys. Hey guys, hey guys, hey, 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 hey. All right, all right, all right.